Yes, by taking your consent, Vijay, I'm starting this recording for educational purpose and sharing my screen again and focusing on the next type of visual. Now, we have already understood
Okay.
the different types of visuals which are common. Let's focus on the other type of visual which we will learn and understand when they are used and certain formatting features dependent on them. Now, one thing is clear here. The next type of chart is a line chart where it is used to find out the trend and also related contents which are there. Now I just click on sales and here I will be going for a time related parameter which is nothing but a date hierarchy. Okay, which is nothing but a date hierarchy. So as you see here, this is a date hierarchy where in the date hierarchy we have got year, quarter, month, and day. Now, as you see here, if I just remove this one, you will get the sum of sales by year. Okay, you will get sum of sales by year. Now, once I add the quarter as well, you will get a particular quarter where it starts from June, next October, January, next we have got April, and so on, which constitutes 3 months a quarter. Now, you add month, you will get monthly wise the sum of sales here. Getting my point here?
Yeah.
Okay, getting my point. Now, I'll just turn on the data labels, the markers. Okay, I can increase the intensity of the markers. Okay, so I can change the marker color. So you can just go for black. Okay, so okay, this is the markers. Okay, so one thing is quite clear that this are generally the sum of sales by year, quarter, and month. Okay, this is where we have got the sum of sales by year, quarter, and month. Now, there is one more thing that you need to keep in mind, which is sum of sales by year, quarter, and month. I should see the trend. I can see the trend line. It's going up all the time, right? So, if you see the trend line here, you can just go for a solid line, just like this one, and you can just increase the transparency of it, and you can change the color, which is nothing but say you can just keep it to any other color like this. You can keep it to red as well. Okay, so just showing the change here. Don't use the same color what I've used. So you can also add an average line. Okay, you can go for say average speed. See the dotted line, uh, which is quite seen here. Can increase or decrease the transparency. Data label. You can turn on the data label. You can just change this to right, above or under. You can just change it. You can have both the data value and the name. Okay, so you can keep the display units to 1000. Got it. So you can change the color to black and okay, clear with the point.
Yeah.
Okay, now there comes one interesting part here, which is nothing but forecast. They will ask you in an interview which graph has a feature which will allow you to forecast the sales or any profit or any units sold. The answer is line chart. Okay, I turn on the forecast option by selecting a proper like sum of sales. I go to forecast as an option, I turn it on, and you have got options which is related to points. You can change it to years. You can forecast it to for the next 5 years, and you can just click on ignore the last year or ignore. Don't want to ignore anything. You can change the confidence interval to 90%, and you can click on apply. See, for the next 5 years, you are seeing the sales, which is forecast. Okay,
Okay.
clear? See here.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can just change it to for next 2 years. Just click on apply. See, you got the forecast option here, right?
Okay.
Okay.
So this is forecasting based on the sales data which is given till now.
Yes, absolutely. So there is no like machine learning coding or like neural networks which is involved. We are just using an option which is called as forecast. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So see here, this is the forecast line. Got it? Next, this is the confidence band. If you want to have a line or maybe just like a small line here, or you can just go for fill as an option. It will fill the upper bound and the lower bound one. Okay. So these are a simple forecasting feature that we have. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay, then that's good. So next we have got the sum of sales by year, quarter, and month, which we analyzed it by the one which is the line chart. Okay. So this is why line chart is generally used. Clear?
Yeah.
Next, we have got the area chart. Okay. See, under the area, if you want to display it like below the points, you want to see an area, right? So in that way, you can have a certain area graph used. Okay. Clear right now, Vijay?
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Good, right? Now, I hope you are clear with both line chart and as well as area chart, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, I have to just use all of these once so I can become familiar with it.
Yeah, please practice. No worries at all. You can. I have sent you
Yeah.
the data. That's why I sent you all the relevant data sets and everything before the start of the training itself. Because later you should not tell me that you sent me late and I didn't get time to practice and all. So that's the reason why I send everything early. Okay. Please do practice
Yeah.
on a regular basis. Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah. Sure. So this is a simple area chart that we have got. Next one, we have got combinational charts. Okay, see, combinational charts are there. See, this is a combination of line and stacked column chart. Next one, we have got line and clustered column chart. Okay, line and like line and a clustered column chart. Okay, sorry. Now, once we have to see the sales, and I just go for country as well. Next, I go for say profit. Okay, this is taking it here. I'll just add it to the line y-axis. Okay, so you have got both a line chart as well as a column chart. Okay, you can turn on the data labels and you can just go for values. Okay, so this is how we can have both line chart as well as the column chart here. Okay, got it right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Fine. So this is the sum of sales by profit and sum of sales profit by country and sales by country. Okay, clear with it?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay then. So this is one way of finding out the line and the clustered column chart. Now in the same way, if I just select that, I select the line and the stacked column chart like this. Okay. I just also add on the y-axis, which is there as count of discount band is not the one. Okay. Yeah, I'll just add the product as a legend. See, this is a stacked column chart along with the line chart. Okay, line and stacked column chart. Clear with the point?
Okay.
Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
This is where we have got the line and also the stacked column. Clear with that?
Okay.
Okay. Clear with the few charts that we have discussed so far? Any doubts here?
Yeah. No, no, no.
Okay. So next one, what we have got is a stacked area chart. Okay. So in this stacked area chart, the same way, I'll just add the sales and I'll just add the country as well. And I'll just go for the segment as a legend. Okay. So if you want to see area that has been spread over each and every segment, okay, see the area. If you see the area over each and every segment, you can go for a stacked area chart like this. Okay, so this is where if you want to find out in terms of the sales for each and every country and segment, you go for a stacked area chart. Clear right now? Okay, data labels I'll turn
Yeah.
on and I'll turn on the
Yeah.
markers as well, and I'll go for like total labels as well. These labels I'll turn on. So these are the options that is done or used in the stacked this one. Which one is it?
Area.
Stacked area chart. Yeah.
Stacked area.
Okay. Clear with the point, Vijay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, is
Any,
there any particular do they need particular data what do you say, generic one where they say this particular type of chart should be used only for this particular kind of data
yeah.
or
That's
visualization?
yeah.
Anything?
So when I'm talking about the requirement, you just create a few charts. You can replace this charts as well. You can see here the beauty of Power BI is you can replace this chart as a stacked column chart as well.
Column. Yeah.
See, it doesn't take much time to replace.
True.
Okay. So there are specific charts which you will use. So you can create simple charts, and just in case once the project is going on, they will ask you some changes in the charts. You may have to change at that point of time. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Clear with that?
Yes.
Okay, then great to hear that. And I hopefully let's move on to the next one, which is nothing but say a waterfall chart. Okay, nothing but a waterfall chart. Okay, so I'll just drag and drop the sales. See, once you have this waterfall chart, it is directly used for to finding or in order to find the increase or decrease or finding out the total as well. Okay, increase or decrease or finding the total as well. Now in that case, you can just add sales by country. See, everything is additive, which means that you have a green color which shows you it is a positive sign and it is having a positive sales. Now once I just
Okay.
see based on the discount band, see we have got a negative color as well, which means the change. Okay, so when we compare with
Hmm.
the American and the Canada sales, there is a change when you see it. Getting my point here, Vijay?
Yeah. Yeah.
One which has been shown here, this is the total sales of US. Now different discount bands are there here. Okay, different discount bands are there here, right? So if you want to see a comparison, over different discount bands of sales. One might be positive and the other might be negative as well. Okay. So if you
Mhm.
see the change, you will get to know what type of change it is, and you can go for either increase or decrease. The value would show in color basis only. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So you can also turn on the labels on that. You can directly see, just turn on the data labels. See, you will see the negative one, which is there here as 2.5 million. Okay.
Mhm.
So if you want to increase the breakdown, see, if you want to decrease the breakdown, you can just see the decrease in the breakdown as well. Okay.
Mhm.
So the yellow color indicates it's showing you the other value. But automatically, it is better to go for a breakdown which shows you the complete details. Okay. So
Okay.
optimally, it is showing you the direct breakdown, which is four breakdowns. Okay. Clear with the point,
Mhm. Okay.
right? So this is the sum of sales by country and the discount band. Clear, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. Fine with that. Okay. Suhel, I mean, sorry, Vijay. Any
Which
doubt from your end?
no, no, no.
Okay, then.
It's fine.
So what we can do
Simple
is,
enough. Like the data is straightforward, and you just add in bands and change, put in the values and the labels. The chart, the Power BI does everything itself. Like it puts in all the data and shows your proper graph.
no, it is just the trailer, Vijay, that I have shown you right now in Power BI.
True.
Main
I get
picture
it. I get it.
is still pending. Once we start working on data, you will get to know uh, certain things. Okay. So I'm making you comfortable at
Yeah.
the moment, and don't think that Power BI is that easy. So if
No.
you practice, you will get it. Okay.
True. I get it. Yeah.
Cool, right? So if you have any questions, or
Yeah.
why don't you just share your screen and do some of the visuals? I'll help you out.
You have to enable this thing.
Yeah,
Screen
try it
sharing.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah, open a new page and do the visuals.
What is happening to this?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, what is happening? I think I'll just restart this.
Okay, Vijay. Anyhow, we are running short of
Yeah.
time. So what I'll do is you do it and share me. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So I'm running short of time, and let's
No
stop
problem.
this recording.